Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must start by getting permission to run teleport commands. You cannot locate someone with commands unless you are op or cheats are on. Once you have operator status, open chat and test a simple command like /TP yourname friend name to confirm access. Make sure you and your friend are in the same dimension, otherwise teleport will fail. Keep their exact username visible, because commands are case sensitive and must match precisely before you continue to the next step. Now run the actual locate. Type /TP your name friend name, Java, or /teleport your name friend name, Bedrock, and press enter. Once done, you will be moved directly to their current position. This both locates and brings you to them. If they are in the nether versus the overworld, use an execute wrapper like /execute in the nether run TP your name friend name so dimensions match. Make sure to watch the chat for success or failure messages that explain why the command may not work. Complete the task by staying with your friend or using F3 to note their coordinates for later. If the command fails, first confirm you are still an operator and that you typed the username exactly, then verify dimension alignment. Make sure any plugins or server protection aren't blocking teleports. If they are, ask an admin to either grant bypass or to share coordinates manually. Finally, remember that this method requires permissions without op or cheats. You cannot locate someone solely by command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.